Good morning, boys and girls. It's a wonderful Wednesday, and let's have a look. In front of me, I'm still on the fishy page, or fishy towel, should I say, and in front of me, I have my favorite color, blue. So let's quickly have a look at the crayons. I'm going to pull out a crayon and you're going to say its color, but we're going to go quite quickly. So let me hear you say the correct color. If I do blue or green, let's hear light green or dark green, or light blue or dark blue. Right, let's go. Red, light green, dark blue, brown, yellow. Well done. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's have a look. Number name, 5. And let's have a look. Remember how to draw the 5. Pull the shirt over his neck, over that big tummy full of boerewors rolls and lots of glasses of Coke. And just before he goes, he puts on his hat so his bald head doesn't get sunburnt. So there are 5 colors, and that's how you do a number 5. So now let's have a look. I'm going to leave the 5 there, but let's see. Oh, now because I've drawn on this has gone away a little bit, but I think you can still see it. What color is this? Correct. It is brown. So we'll put brown there, but I think it's going to roll down, so I'll just keep it there like that. What's the next one? That one you can sound out, like 6, is red. Red, red. Oh, now this is getting tricky for me to hold. What's the next one? Yellow. That's why it's got double yellow. Okay. And this one? Blue. Doesn't say light blue or dark blue, so that means we can use any blue. I'm choosing dark blue. And, whoops, those two are friends. They want to go together. Let me tuck it under my arm here. And the last one we're going to do, it also doesn't matter if it's light or dark. And this is the word for the color. Green. Okay, and I'm choosing light green. Right, so brown, red, yellow, blue, and green. Let's take the colors away and just read them without the colors. Brown, red, yellow, blue, and green. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. There's our number 5 and our number name 5. So now I'm going to quickly show you in your brown Simply Maths book on page, on page 14. There's your brown book, and we're going to turn to page 14. So we did this yesterday, and now we're on page 14. Looks like in a field on a farm, or maybe it started somewhere else, and then it's coming to land in the farm, and the cow is very interested as to what is going on. So this is called a hot air balloon, And some of you may have been lucky enough to go in one or on one. Right, so here we have the 5 colours that we spoke about earlier. And what I'd like you to do is, I'm going to quickly do it. We're going to do it like a code, like when you coloured in your lion. So number 1 is red. So I'm just going to quickly colour in number 1. But you need to do this on your own. So after the video, you can do this, and then let's see if you can colour it in properly on your own. Number 2 is yellow. This is just to remind you when you're having a look to see what colours each part of the picture should be. This is called colour by number. You get lovely paint sets that you can do, paint by number. Right, blue, I'm going to choose dark blue. You can choose light blue if you like. And green, I'm choosing light green. And brown. So now again, like your lion, you're going to colour it in according to that code. So I'm going to start with a little basket of the hot air balloon, and that's number 5, and number 5 is brown. So I'm going to outline it nicely, take my time and colour it in up and down or side to side with no white spaces. So there's my 5 coloured in. Where you have to do a big section, like the 3s over here in the sky, it's very important that you colour in nicely in one direction and that you don't go side to side and up and down and leave big white spaces, because that's scribbling. So I'm going to start with number 1 is red, and I'm going to colour in this part of the air balloon. Come holding the crayon, I come hold my pencil, and I outline it nicely, and then I colour in one direction. Okay. Right, so that's how you're going to do this whole picture. And now you're going to do it on your own, where there isn't a number. So there isn't a number for the fence, but the flowers are supposed to be number 2, which is yellow. But you know that the leaves can't be yellow too, so you can make the leaves green. There isn't a number for the fence, so you can colour that in brown or black. Maybe they've painted it in a different colour. Maybe you can do it purple. And then the cloud has no number whatsoever. And so, what colour is a cloud? Yes, you can just leave that white. Remember, beautiful colouring, no white spaces, and remember to do your code correctly before you start. Right, let's see beautiful hot air balloons, and you can think about where you would like to drift off in a hot air balloon. To which place?